Eden Santos po from Net25. Good afternoon po, ES. Pwede naman daw pong sibakin ni Pangulong Marcos, yun pong mga gusto niyang alisin, bakit nagpasubmit pa raw po ng courtesy resignation. And pasensya na po if I have to ask this, di daw po ba ito parang pampapogi lang sa public?
Ay, alam nyo, mahirap naman na sabihin nyo kung ano ang dapat, hindi na kailangan na mag-courtesy resignation. Ilagay ninyo ang sarili ninyo sa aming pwesto. Kung tamaan mo yung isang tao, ano ang lalabas na mukha mo? It's best that we did it this way so that it will be more honorable for them. Hindi naman kami yung diktador na magsasabi, oy, wala ka na, sisipain mo na. When I said that we are all serving at the will of the President, at the President's pleasure, we have to humanize. So, demanding a courtesy resignation is the best way of doing it, because all that you can do is just to accept, and that's the end of the debate. You don't really need to follow what others are saying because they are not in the saddle. They may have different views of it when their time comes, if ever that time will come. Pero the best advice is our own counsel, our own conscience.
A quick follow-up lang po. Can you consider it as a failure po on the part of the President na nakapaglagay po siya, nakapagtalaga ng mga official na underperforming or not performing well? And meron po ba tayong timeline kung kailan po mararamdaman ng ating mga kababayan itong mas maganda at maayos na serbisyo sa public sa mga bago?
Dalawang tanong yan. Yung unang tanong mo, ikaw ba pag meron kang niligawan, alam mo ba na may... Ibig sabihin nun, at the start, you do not know how this guy will perform. So that's more or less a very... hindi ko masabi kung anong tanong yan. Yung pangalawa na tanong mo, ano na ba yun? Mararamdaman, kagad. Wala nang iba eh. Kung ang trabaho mo ay mag-deliver ng tinapay, deliver ka ng masarap na tinapay. Ganun lang. Hindi naman pwedeng, oy, bukas pa. Wag. Ngayon na. Kasi taong bayan naghihintay.
Thank you very much.
Tatanungin mo na naman yung political.